Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen resolution on ZTE Android TV Box. Changing resolution will help you adjust the resolution of the ZTE Android TV Box to your TV. If it matches, then it'll work the best. To do it, go to the settings on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, Display and Sound. Then go to Screen Resolution and you can enable Auto Switch to best resolution. Most probably it'll work. If not, disable it and go to Display Mode. You can now set different resolutions here. Feel free to select the one that actually works for you best. Of course, the lower you set, the lower quality there will be. And remember that you have 15 seconds to approve the change. Otherwise, it'll restore itself back to the previous selection. You can see when I set it to the lowest resolution, it looks really bad now. I can see it from far away. But if that's what your TV supports, then feel free to leave it like that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.